Are sugary drinks hydrating?
Sugary drinks, like soda or sweetened teas, do contribute to your daily fluid intake. However, because of their high sugar content, they are less effective than water for true hydration. They may even lead to increased thirst, since sugar can pull water from your body's cells, making them a less ideal choice for staying hydrated.
What health risks are linked to sugary drinks?
Regular consumption of sugary drinks is strongly associated with health risks. These beverages have been linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, tooth decay, and heart disease. The empty calories from added sugar can contribute to weight gain and disrupt the body's natural balance, making it important to limit sugary drink intake for long-term wellness.
Can sugary drinks replace water?
Sugary drinks should not replace water as your main source of hydration. Water contains no sugar, calories, or additives and is absorbed more efficiently by the body. Reaching for water or unsweetened alternatives keeps you hydrated without increasing your risk for health problems related to excess sugar.
Are diet or zero-calorie drinks better?
Diet and zero-calorie drinks remove sugar but may still not be the healthiest choice. While they don't add calories, research on their long-term effects is ongoing. Some studies suggest they may still be linked to cravings for sweets or changes in metabolism. So moderation and variety are key.
Tips for healthier hydration choices.
To stay hydrated and healthy, choose water most often. If you want more flavor, try adding a slice of lemon, cucumber, or berries. Unsweetened teas or sparkling water are also great alternatives. Cutting back on sugary drinks can go a long way towards supporting both good hydration and good health.